Guys, welcome back. So the plugin we are looking at today is called WordCloud. So you can generate WordCloud from text. So before we get into that, let's understand what WordCloud is. So I'm just taking this article from CNBC. So let me copy paste this article here. So there is a couple of text here. If you do this, and you can basically select any colors you want here, and let's say you want to visualize it. So this article got converted into a word cloud, and if I just copy paste the same one, enable this plugin which is word cloud, and go back to our ChatGPT and just say we can also ask how to use word cloud plugin. So let's see what this supports here. So I'm not going into greater detail with slides because most of you know WordCloud, and I just didn't want to waste too much of your time explaining to you what WordCloud is. So the idea here is you provide a text string you want to turn. This could be a paragraph, list, or words of any other text. The WordCloud plugin processes this data, creates a cloud image, the size of each word. The plugin then returns a URL of the created word cloud. So let's say create word cloud for the following text. Okay. So let me just create it. So it's now using the word cloud, and we should get a URL link with which we can view it. So this is a pretty quick plugin. So any plugin that is complex, which needs background about that plugin, I'll be covering that. But any plugin that is straightforward like a word cloud, so the occurrence of the word, the number of times the word has occurred, and so based on it, the size of the word would be represented in a visualization. So that's basically what word cloud is, and I just didn't want to spend much time on this. So let's wait for this plugin to create this, and then let's view that one here. So yeah, I think that's all this is. So in this example, this is the string. Please also note, this is a simplified example. The actual usage may vary based on specific implementation. Cool. So it created the URL now. Okay, so this is the URL which it created, and that's it. So that covers this plugin, and I'll be back with the next plugin in the next video. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.